So today we're talking springs.
Oh, you mean those commodities?
Oh no. I mean, when you look at a product, especially a medical device, the weakest link could be the spring. So you don't want a commodity item in there. You want something custom made for that product or application, right? Because a spring
is not a spring. It has to work every time.
You must have watched the video already.
It's a really good video.
Yeah, check it out. Wait till Norm infects you with his energy.
Springs are like fasteners. We're the nuts, bolts, screws, and springs. We traditionally get no attention unless we don't work. If we don't work, bad things happen. It's not just a stamping. It's not just a wire form. It's not just a spring. It has to work. It's called zero defect, period.
Our parts happen to be mission critical, meaning if it's a stapler in the hands of a surgeon, our spring could be the difference between them pulling the trigger and the staple deploying correctly and nothing happening.
We spend a lot of time at the formative stage of engineering because we know that a medical device anywhere in the world could never fail. We are the only certified minority-owned company in the United States with a 1345 medical certification.
And that's why Springfield Spring and Stamping is one of the most state-of-the-art companies you can work with.